In this video, I'll show you how to create stickers like the ones on the screen in bulk in a few minutes in Canva. Let's get into it. So for the design, we're going to use a square cut, which is what I'll select from the menu to start a new project. Okay, so once the page loads, what I want to do is to change the background color of my page. Okay, so I already have a color in mind that I want to work with. It's called Dusty Rose. So I'll just enter the Xcode in there. Alright, that's the color I want. And then on my keyboard, I'll press the key R just to get that. And then I want to create a border for this. Right. So that looks fine. Right, and what we want to do, we want to close this, then we want to remove the background color of that so that we have a border. Right, and then we can get the border style there, put in that, and then reduce the weight to 1. Then we can select a color for the border. That's fine. Let's make it that, which is a white. Right, that looks fine. And then we want to add some text to our sticker. So T, add heading, and then I'm going to type I am a champion. I am a champion. Right, that looks fine. Let's move it up a bit. Then we can change the text color. Right, so I'll select everything, and then I'll use the same color as I used for the border. So that's just off-white or creamish color. So I'll get the Xcode. Right, and click in there, click in there, and this is the color I want. Right, that's the color I want. Then I want to change my font style again, so I click on there, and then I want to use Laura. Okay, that's the one. Yeah, so we select Laura, bold. Yes, that looks fine. And then we want to add some elements into our sticker design. So I'll add some stars. All right, so these are just stars, guys, or sparkles. So you can search in there and say stars. Right, and the stuff will come up, and then you can select whatever you want to use. So these are the ones that I'm working with. Then I want to expand them to fit my sticker. All right, that looks fine. Then I want to change the colors a bit for the stickers, just slightly, so that they go with the design. So I have some colors by the side here that I want to change. So I'll click on the first color. Right, and then we put our Xcode in there, and then we apply that. Right, and then we get to this one. Right, the next Xcode, and then we apply that. Right, apply that, and then the last one. So we get this one more color, and then we're done with the design of the sticker. Right, that looks fine. Okay, so that looks fine. That's how our sticker looks like at the moment. So we need to generate 50 stickers, each with a different message. So to do that, we can just utilize ChatGPT. So we can go into ChatGPT and paste a prompt. So this is the prompt. Right, generate 50 motivational quotes made up of 3 to 5 words. Do not insert bullet points or numbers. So the reason for the last part is that we're going to need to copy this into a tool in Canva. So that ends that specification. So let's let it work. Okay, so once ChatGPT is done, we want to copy everything. So to copy, right, and then we go back into Canva. Right, and then in Canva, we want to go to the apps. Click on apps and wait for it to load. Right, and once it loads, right, we want to search for an application called Bulk Create. Let's give it and then that's the one, the first one that we see there. Right, and then we want to click on enter data manually. Right, and then we want to delete this column. Right, and then we can remove this, and then we want to paste. So it's Control V on my keyboard, and then I give this a name, like say quotes. Right, that's fine, I'm done. And then once I'm back here, I want to select my text field. Right, once selected, I right click and then click on connect data, and then this is the one that we created codes, so we select that from the menu. Right, and then this menu pops up, and then we click on continue, and then we're gonna generate 50 designs. Click on generate 50 designs. Then you want to click on view in folder to open up the new project that is those designs. So let's give it a minute to load. Alright, it's completed loading. So it's this one. As you can see, it says 1 of 50, so we're gonna click on that to open it. Right, and it's open. So you will see now that we have 1 of 50, that's 50 pages. All of our stickers have been generated just like that in a minute, less than a minute. We can change the view to grid, right, to view every sticker. Okay, so these are your stickers. You can just scroll to make sure everything looks fine, everything is in place, no text has moved. And that's it in a nutshell, guys. That's how you can generate bulk or multiple stickers in one go in Canva. I hope you enjoyed the video. Comment down below, let me know what you think. Cheers, and catch you on the next one.